Aktiar. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, you're so sweet. I know you are very strong, love. Love, look, oh, I just reached my 700K. I almost reached 1K na. I 1 million na. Ah, dadating din tayo dyan na. Oh my God. My bestie. I miss my bestie. Bestie. Talaga naman, Bryce. Nandito ka pa, Bryce. Ibabalik natin ang ating nakaraan, love. Forever friend. Yeah, forever my BFF bestie. Kuya Rico. I know, bestie. You're always in my heart. You're always in my... Ay, Kuya Rico. Hi, Luis. If Daddy Yo have a special place in my heart, you're also a special place in my heart. Maybe here, maybe... You're silly. You know that, right? Oh my God. I'm in an aircon, but why is so hot in here? I already opened the aircon, but why it's so hot? Oh my God. You make my room so hotter. Ay. But reserve those hotness tomorrow in my UPK. I want to introduce them how strong are you? Do what I do if hot. I will make you more hotter and hotter and hottest. You like that? Oh my God. Hi, Ma. How are you? I will make my room. You make my room tomorrow, my OPK. Okay? Make my room so boom, 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 boom. Hi. Oh my God. Maybe I'm not really for Filipino. I am for American. Yeah. Because I'm in doubt if my heart belongs to Filipino or my heart belongs to to, to foreigner. I'm so confused. Yeah, confused man. I'm so confused, really. Oh, Kael. Hello, Kael. Kamusta na? Buti pa to si Kael, masayang-masaya sa bago niya. Oh my God, tatlo na sila. Ay, hindi pa nakasama si Kael. Dalawa lang pala sila. Dalawa lang sila nag-aano ng aking puso. Sino ba yung pipiliin ko? Sino ang pipiliin ko? Wow! Love! Oh my God! Oh my God, love! Thank you so much! Okay, I will kiss you na! Oh, sige, that's the gift. Okay, love. Oh my God, love. You always surprise me, love. OMG naman. Uy, pinagpawisan ako dito na bangga-bangga ba? That's it. Oh, that's it. Thank you, love. You're very strong. I know. Well, thank you, Matt. Oh my God. Love, you make me hotter. Make me hotter. My goodness, kayo. Am I belong to Canada or I am belong to US of A? Dalawa na lang pagpipilian ko ngayon. I only have 2 choices na. Am I going to Canada? My intentions is what? I know your intentions is... Aray ko. Ay, nasaktan ka ba? Oy, wag kang umayos ka dyan, Kaela. Ayaw kong mamanakit. Mamanakit. Ayokong mananakit. Eh, ito naman si Matt, hindi ko naman 'to maintindihan. Paano kami 'pag nag-away dito ba? You are funny daw. I'm funny, am I funny? Kasali pala ako sa choice. Hindi na nga, Iris na nga. Dalawa na nga lang eh. Dalawa na lang. Ay, either love or ano, Clay. Hindi ka nakakasali. AB na lang. Wala nang CD. Ano, ay, sinums pa pala. Ay na, ABC na lang. ABC. Hindi. Ikis na talaga yun. Ay, ikis na ako sa Pinoy. Mapanakit ang Pinoy. Doon na lang. Na-evicted na sa bahay, sa puso ba? I didn't tell you. Don't tell me na. Charot. Baka masaktan ka lang. Joke lang. Buti na lang di makaintindi, no? Mm. Ito kagandahan kapag tag-English kasi di makaintindi. Sorry naman. I may be. Oh, so my choices is from Dubai or Canada. So, am I going to Canada? Don't worry, Miss Ruby. I can take care with you. Oh my God, Zoris, are you one of my choices? Zorish, you need to be strong also, just like Daddio and Love. Daddio, and treat you right. Really? Oh my God. I only have choice, and also I have 3 choices also. Zorish, from what country are you? Until now, I'm still single, and I'm ready to mingle na because it's almost December. I don't want to be alone in December. Last December, I'm alone. So, this coming December, I don't want to be alone. I want to be happy. Ay, Daddy Yo, you're not interfere? Oh my God, Daddy Yo is very, to his wife. Daddy Yo, your wife is very lucky, you know? I can give more than kiss me. You deserve more than that. Oh my God! Really, Zoresh? May lumalaban! May lumalaban, Zoresh. Zoresh, from what country are you, Zoresh? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!